And the award goes to the lady who was super entertaining throughout the match. Please make some noise for Priya Sudeep. Hello, hello. Congratulations, Priya ma'am, for the award of the entertainer of the final. Congratulations. Let's move to the next award of the final. The next award is the best batsman of the finals, and the award will be presented by Setupati ji. And the award goes to the man who has scored 54 runs for Bengal Tigers. He is Joy Mukherjee. An amazing inning by Joy tonight. Unfortunately, the team couldn't win, but he is the best batsman of the finals. Everyone make some noise for Joy Mukherjee. An amazing performance by Joy Mukherjee in the finals. Time for the next award. The next award is the best bowler of the final, and the award will be presented by Mr. Alankar Pandian. And the award goes to the man who has taken 3 wickets tonight. He's from Karnataka Bulldozers. He's Pratap Narayan. Three very important, very crucial wickets taken by Pratap Narayan in the finals, which led them to lift the trophy. Once again, big congratulations to Pratap Narayan from Karnataka Bulldozers. And now, man of the match of the finals. This award will be presented by Sanvi Sudeep. And the award goes to the man with 69 runs for Karnataka Bulldozers. He is Rajiv Hanu. Here comes the beast from Karnataka Bulldozers, Rajiv Hanu, man of the match of the final match. Congratulations, Rajiv.